Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simone. I hope you guys is having a wonderful day. In today's video, I will be cleaning and decorating my guest bathroom. Just getting everything all ready for the spring. I was just adding some Fabuloso to my toilet after I finished cleaning the toilet, you guys. It really smells really good if you just add some Fabuloso to your toilet after you finish cleaning. It really helps the bathroom to smell fabulous, you guys. So my guest bathroom is really not that dirty. I haven't had any guests in a while, but I just wanted to get everything all sanitized before I start to decorate, you guys.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. To all of my oldie but goodies, I thank you guys so much for all of your love and your support. I truly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. So I am using 2 curtain panels to the side, you guys, and that is a 96-inch length. I got that from Amazon. My shower curtain that I'm putting up there, that was $7.99, and that was from Ross. I am using this bunny planter for some face towels. I got that from Ross. That was $10.99. It was white, but I spray painted gold. These towels are from Ross as well, and they were $7.99.
Cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget.
I'm using those tulips for a pop of color. I am using paint throughout my home for the spring, so I definitely wanted to bring some of that into the bathroom. Those tulips, they are from the Dollar Tree. I just took a wire cutter and I just cut a few of them off of the bunch. I am inserting them into that rubber band that I showed you guys earlier. So the rubber band is holding up the towels and the tulips as well.
It's for the best and you know why. Wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry. 'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and cry.
My artwork is from Ross. It was $19.99, you guys. It is so beautiful. I just love it. This vase, I picked that up over the summer of last year from Ross. It was on clearance for $6.49. And the flowers, they are from the Dollar General.
Like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on, jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter.